My name is Mr. Russo. I am your CALM teacher, and noticing that there are some students who are having challenges with the signing up for the instant notifications, I've decided to create this video, help you guys out. So the first thing you need to understand is you have to go to the contents, you go to Module 1 Introduction, and then you go to the first content page, Getting Started, Step 1. Titled Signing Up for Instant Notifications. So as I scroll down, you will see the discussion, what are private discussions? Please read that carefully. Signing up for email notifications. This is going to be your first image. You go down to part 3 where it says click the subscribe button. This is the exact image that I expect to see. You'll note that there's 3 choices, and I've selected the middle one. And the reason I'm fussy about this is because if you select the bottom choice or the top choice, it doesn't work properly. So you need to use your Awesome Screenshot, and Awesome Screenshot is a free Chrome app that you can add to your page, your Chrome page. You're all using Chrome, right? And you take your screenshot of this area in your discussions, you save it, and then you upload it to the instant notifications folder. Now, that's the first image. The second image, if we keep scrolling down, are these announcements. And these are the announcements that I particularly want you to make sure that you've selected. Now, truly, my first choice is that you use your phone. Many students don't use their emails, so not much point in doing this if you don't look at your emails. If you do look at your emails, it's all good, right? This is the second image that I need to see. And I've said, use your Awesome Screenshot application to capture this image. It is a free Chrome, double clear, free Chrome application that you can use. Again, you're going to submit this to your instant notifications. Now, how do you do that? Well, I've opened up another page here, another tab. This is what you see when you get to the first content page in Content. You will go to Assignments, and then you'll go to Instant Notification Screenshot. You'll click on that, and then it says Add a File, and that's what you want to do. You want to add a file twice, and then you click Submit. And that's it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions or concerns, use your email. Never use your email, sorry. Use your private discussions to let me know what your concerns are. Be specific so that I can help you better. Vague doesn't help me help you. All right, well, take care and have a great first day. Bye now.